A desktop computer is made up of several basic parts, and in this video we're going to show you what these parts are and what they're used for. The computer case contains the main components of the computer. This is where the actual processing happens. Today, most cases are tower cases, which means they stand up vertically. Sometimes you may see a horizontal case, which is often called a desktop case. In order to view anything on your computer, you'll need to have a monitor. The monitor connects to the video card inside your computer to display images and text on the screen. Most monitors have LCD or LED displays, which can be made very thin so they don't use much desk space. To save even more space, you can buy an all-in-one computer, which combines the monitor and the computer case into a single unit. To interact with your computer, you'll need a keyboard and mouse. Keyboards come in different shapes and sizes, for example, ergonomic and wireless keyboards. The mouse is used to control the mouse pointer on the screen. It can either be optical, which has an electrical eye on the bottom, or mechanical, which uses a rolling ball to detect movement. Some people prefer to use a trackball or touchpad instead of a mouse. These use less desk space since they don't need to move around when you're using them. So those are the basic parts of a desktop computer. As you can see, each part plays an important role, and you'll become very familiar with these parts as you gain more experience with your computer.